Hey there, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive in the world of investment. If you are new, don't get feared. In today's video, we have bring step-by-step guidance for you people, how you can invest, how you can make more money. So be with us in this video if you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed our channel. So first of all, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon with all notification options. So in the future you will never miss any notification from our video. Thank you so much, and let's begin. So for understanding the basic, before you start investing, it's essential to understand the basic. Meaning that if you are interested in investing your money, so first of all you must need to clear all the terminologies that where I have to invest, how much I have to invest. You must need to keep risk in your mind that investing is also maybe a risk for you, but risk taker or money maker. Remember these words. Okay, so first of all you need to setting financial goals. Okay, so determine your financial goals. It's very important that you have to determine your goals. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or to fund a dream vacation? Clearly define your objectives will help you choose the right investment strategies and time frames. Remember, different goals may require different investment approaches. Okay, so it's very clear that if you have a financially goal, so it maybe have different strategies so and approaches. So keep this thing in your mind, and we now are going to discuss each step with you people. So the third one, we are going to assessing risk tolerance. Okay, understand your risk tolerance is crucial. Some investment carry more risk than other. Some investment carry more risk, mean that if you are investing someone, maybe it's more riskful than others, but they also offer the potential for higher returns. Okay, as I told you, the money maker, if a thing have high risk, it means that it will pay you off high in the return. Consider your comfort level with volatility and potential losses. Okay, so if you are investing, if you have not concept, your concept is not clear, so first of all you have to check your potential and do investment on the basis of it. Okay, this will guide your assess allocation decision and help you build a portfolio that aligns you with risk tolerance. Okay, establishing an emergency fund. Before you start investment, it's essential to have an emergency fund. This fund acts as a safety net. Okay, let me clear it to you. If you are investing your money, so first of all you need to make it clear you must have such fund with yourself. It's not like this that if you have $1,000 and you go and invest your $1,000 and you are broke, you have nothing in your pocket. If you are investing, you have to divide your money in parts. For example, you get $2,000, so what you will do, you must go invest your $200. Okay, some for your refreshment you separate $300 and divide your money. It's not like this that if you get your whole money and invest it, and then you have risk and also in debt, and then you don't have any money for your expenses. So then what you will do? So keep emergency fund with yourself in case of you may lose or if you may need money, so you don't need to ask from others, so you can use your emergency fund. Now let's move to this. This is one of the important, that emergency fund you must need to have you with yourself. Now setting a brokerage account. To start investing, you need a brokerage account to research different brokerage firms and compare their fees. Means that investing world you may have a broker, means you are investing in a real estate or you are investing in a stock exchange, so there will be have a broker, so you must need to take care the brokers who is taking low fee, who is very trustful. The one thing that I very careful is that, is it trustworthy? Yes, he is. Okay, I will pay him any fee if he want. Okay, so you must need to check that if the person is trusty or not, because trust is anything. Investing in index fund. Continuous education yourself means now the next point is very important, that if you are investing, continuing your self education means that you must need to be up to date. If you are investing in real estate, if you are investing in crypto, if you are investing in means that other investments, or if you have any, so you must need to be in mind, you must need to be know all about the news, all about the education, all about the new deals they offer, the new features they provide. So you must need to be educated of these things, any law they update or remove. So this is very good, or will be for good for you. Thank you so much. If you like this video, from a subscriber channel, and tell us in the comment section if you want any topic video, if you have difficulty, so I will make video for you people. Thank you so much for watching.